Hello, this is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter. I am here today with our Art Impressions Advent Calendar. We are on day 20 of our Advent, and unfortunately, I just realized that my recording did not go through, so I am so sorry. I apologize. I'm going to talk you through what I did for this Advent. Today, we received this fence post, so I went through and I stamped in repeat our fence post along the bottom here. I created a little snowy mound just by tearing some paper, created that, and added some trees in the background. And I brought in our grass stamp, which is one of the most used stamp in my collection, to add some little grass down here. And then the Dr. P.H. Martin's Bleed Proof White, I brought that in to add just a hint of snow to our project. So I am so sorry that did not record. It just breaks my heart. It was such a fun little project, but thank you so much for joining me. This is our day 20 project.